Hello everybody, today we are going to shed some light in these dark times. This is a cheap outdoor LED strip. As you saw in the intro, the strip works, but if we move it in certain position, the power will cut off. I think that the connection between the driver and the LED strip is not done very well. After disconnecting the power cable, we can see the two power pins and a lot of glue, so I'm going to clean as much as I can to see if the connection gets better. Unfortunately, no. Even without glue, I still had the same problem, but I noticed a thing. As you can see, we have a power lead that emerged from the plastic on the left side of the strip, but nothing on the right side. After noticing that, my idea was to expose a bit more of the power leads and make it a better contact between the strip and the driver. After some stripping and digging, I was able to expose more of the cable. I've reconnected the two parts and then this happened. I did some horrible mistake and well, I think I've shorted something. Probably I've cut too much and the positive and negative lead touch together, but I don't, for sure, trust this strip anymore. So, in the trash it goes. I know, this video was short, but it will hopefully help you not to make the same mistake I did, and so I hope you enjoyed it anyway. I invite you to subscribe and leave a like. You can also write a comment telling me what you think I did wrong. It will be helpful. I'm Leo and I'll see you next week. But in the meantime, remember to keep things alive.